Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add wish list functionalities for customers convenience. So adding a wish list features help customers save the right items and improve sales. And in this video I'm going to walk you through on how you can customize text and publish your wish list to enhance users experience. So let's get started, and make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So the first thing to do is to open your Wix in the Wix editors, then go to the Wix app market, which is at the left sidebar, then search for wish list. Then you can also click on the wish list or a smart wish list. Then from there, click on add to site and follow the installation prompt. And after that, open the wish list app dashboard, then set the preference like who can use the wish list. For example, you can set to be guest or registered user. You can also add a wish list icon placement or in education settings, which is item save to wish list, and click on save and apply. Then after that, you can also add wish list button to product page. So to do that, open the product page editor, then click on the plus icon, then click on button, then customize the button text. For example, you can just add to wish list for the button, then link the button to the wish list app, then click on save and publish. Then after that, you can also enable customers access to the wish list. To do that, add a wish list page. For example, you can add via a minus, or you can also add through the minus and page, then click on add page, then link the wishlist page to the site menu for easy access. And after that, click on preview and test the wishlist features, then save an items to the wishlist and check if it appears correctly, then click on publish to go live. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can simply add functionalities for customers convenience on wishlist in Wix. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.